Welcome to my little casita, tiny house, here close to Saavedra by Rio Portalon. Sleeping area, the bathrooms over there, you can see a snapshot, I'll show it closer. This incredible view and breakfast or work area, mini living room, dining slash desk slash TV, and an absolutely adorable kitchen with a really good size refrigerator, toaster, microwave, all the things. So the bathroom is also absolutely adorable. Hey guys! You can see I have everything set out here. I love these sinks. They're so adorable to me. And just enough space. There's a adorable shower. And there you have it, you guys. Oh, and let me show you the view as well. It's incredible.